Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi. I'm doing dragon number 3. This time not in Aquacast, but in resin. Now I'm still using the same colours, silver, pink and purple. The pink and the purple are chrome powders from Temu, but this is metallic flakes. Now I don't like metallic flakes, but does this make me change my mind? Because these are from Toonpish, Tiny Turners. I must admit I use way too much. Because I've used other flakes before and thought, meh, I just kind of chucked them on. I do end up having to take quite a bit off. Because yeah, I use way too much. I love this pink and this purple. It's just a lovely colour. And I think I've decided that everything I do, videos, whatever, is going to be pink and purple. Because, well, purple, hello. Love purple. And a lot of us love purple. But this is nice. Nice colour. And when you put a black background on it, it makes it look even better. I mean, it's just, oh, so nice. I'm going to have a little bit of a rant. Now, it's come to my attention that some people are getting some really nasty comments. They're getting a lot of thumbs down. I'm not going to mention who the people are that's getting these. But what I am going to do is say, we are people on these channels with feelings. We don't deserve that. We work hard to get these videos out for people, and we try and support each other as a community. Now, I have an inkling on who this person or people can be, but I'm not here to name or blame. But what I want to do is say, just pack it in. Pack it in. People have feelings. We are not robots. And that's it, basically. We are trying our best. We're doing people a service by creating these videos. We're also doing it for our own brains, basically. Some of us suffer with mental health. Some of us do it in silence. You don't know what people are getting through in life. You don't know how they're getting through in life. And you don't know what the troubles they've got. And sometimes this is just a piece of sanity in a crazy world. And it's just not nice. The best thing a person can do is be nice. And if you can't be nice, shut up. Simple. That's it. Just don't say anything. You don't have to watch a person if you don't like what they're doing. And no doubt, because I've opened my mouth, I'll probably end up losing some subscribers. But I'm getting a little bit fed up of it. We are human beings. We're not on this planet a long time. So just be nice. Or go away. So, now I'm back to this. I've said my piece. This is a blue metallic from, I think, Temu again. And I don't remember if I did blue on the other ones now I've said that. Oh my god. They are somewhere in this house. Whoever put them? I don't know. Oh. I think I must have done. There must have been a blue somewhere on them. But anyway. I'm doing blue in betweens. But I do clean some of it up so I can get in with the silver. And there's tape on this. And I must have caught it with my nail because it all of a sudden it decided to open. And I'm like, oh, okay, fair enough. This is the first time I've opened this. I've not used it. These were bought with Buy Me a Coffee. No, they were not. They were bought by Tiff. She sent me a voucher and I bought these and I'm like, oh my god. Well, that was until I used Flakes and then I thought, ugh, I don't like them. They're just messy. I saw Karen at Dragon's Cave using these tweezers to get her flakes in, and it does make it a big difference, a huge difference, so much tidier. And I start trying to, oh dear, burnish my metal flakes in, and that's when I realised I got too many flakes. So then I try and go with my smaller brush, burnish in a bit more, and yeah, still too much. So I end up having to take some out. But tweezers again, fantabulous. You can see it's flying everywhere. Highly recommend a mask if you can wear one. But I'm not going to tell you what to do. That's not my job. I'm just here to make art and have a little bit of sanity in a cray world. Can you tell I'm in a mood? I don't mean to be, but it's nice. So yeah, I like these flakes. I've got my 1-to-1 epoxy. I've had it on my heat mat in separate cups just to disperse any bubbles. And it always helps doing that. It's a lot better. And I'm going to use my Resin's dual head mixer. Still going strong. Still hasn't been charged. And I'm going to put it on warp speed. And while that's mixing, I'm going to tidy up a bit more because I messed it. I had to go around with some tape later on. It's just everywhere. I'm completely off shot, so I'm so professional. And what I'm going to do is mix that up first, and then I'm going to add some black, what's it called? That stuff. Oh my days. Paste. Epoxy paste? Resin paste? Something like that. And that's from Temu. And I don't want it to be too thin. So yeah, you can see it now, look. It's going on warp speed. I don't want it to be too see-through, so I do put quite a bit in there. And I love the fact you can just leave this, do something else, and it don't hurt your hands. So it's starting to get a little bit warm because I kind of went and did something else. I can't do one thing at a time. I will normally be crafting, watching a video, tidying up, music on, doing descriptions and stuff for my videos, or moving the whole living room around again and again. But yeah, so I kind of forgot. So it started to get a bit warm, and this is now black. It's so black. I like it. If I could use black in everything, I think I would. It's a very nice colour. Oh, it's not actually a colour, is it? Is it black and white? That's not actually a colour. My brain's just decided to have a fart. Oh, my brain has gone on holiday. Oh, gold. And this spatula is brilliant. Donna from... Oh my god. It's Art by Donna. Jesus. What was I saying about my brains had a fart? Oh god. She sent me a super thanks, which hugely appreciated, because now I've got a whisk, 2 whisks, a spatula and a pastry brush, because I was moaning, I think, about the fact that I hadn't got a whisk because I broke it. Yeah, it was only a cheap thing. So she sent me a super thanks and I got it. I got them in a pack and it was brilliant. I love that spatula. It really is a lot easier to get the resin out with. And it makes it a lot safer because I don't wear gloves. It means I don't have to touch the actual resin at all. I don't catch it or anything. I mean, I'm very careful what I do. I have something on my hands, barrier creams, that I can't tell you what the recipe is for that because some of it's prescription. And it takes forever to sink in. But once it's in, it's fine. It don't smell as nice as that one that Sally All Aboard uses. It don't really smell of anything, to be fair. But you do what you do. So I think I had to make up some more. I did, yes. And then I ended up with a bit too much, I think. Or did I fill it all up? Oh my days. Do you know, if I had a brain, it'd be dangerous. I know I don't fill it quite to the top because I'm going to put it on my heat mat. That's what I'm telling you now. And now it's cured. I don't think there was any leftovers. But I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, still could have done with a little bit more. And it seems to have sunk on one side. Now, the bubble on my table says it's level. So that should not have happened. So I'm wondering if my table's on its way out. I don't know. But then again, this house is not level. So it's a bit like me. And don't that look nice through there? I pushed the little bubble bits in first because it makes it a lot easier to take this out then. You just basically peel. It's brill. Now, I think the colours, love the colours. And I would definitely use those flakes again. I don't know what on though. If there's anything you've seen I've got and you want to see them flakes on it, give me a shout. Just put them in comments. So yeah, look at that shiny beast. It's so shiny. And now all I want to do is black and red. But that took quite a lot of resin. So it won't be for a while. I shall have to write it in my book. The book that I don't know where it is. I have a notebook drawer. I did put it in the notebook drawer. And then I took it out the notebook drawer. Shifted the living room round. And now I don't know where it is. So is my life. But yeah, I'm stroking it because it's so pretty. It's so pretty. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something with them eyes. That eye, should I say. Now, I did the yellow. Did I keep the yellow? Do you know? I don't remember. So this will be a surprise for me as well as you. Huh? Do I change it? I don't really know. And if you know what soap opera that's from, mainly UK people, although it's quite big over in America apparently. Then put in the comments if you know who it is. That is to subscribe on your TV. Makes it easier, just use your camera. You know, got to flick through things and buy me a coffee. Like I said before, the silver flakes, the tiny Turner powders in that little silver pouch, they were from Buy Me a Coffee. I also got the little toasty oven thing. Superb. I've used that more than anything in my craft stash. It's just on, constant. I love it. I know I said I was going to stop banging on about it, but you lot are fantastic. Those that buy me coffee, super thanks. Watch, like, comment, become members. You're all just, well, like I said, this community is great. It's just the odd one or two numpties. And they need to go and get their heads checked. I'm using acrylic marker pens to do the eyes and the tongue. The eye, I keep saying eyes, you can only see one. And used a white one for the teeth. And I'm going to put a line down the middle of his eye so he looks a bit more mean. Now, this red pen, against the colours on the dragon, I don't think it's red enough. And that's to say, can you please hit the like button? Although, no doubt somebody is going to give me a thumbs down now, because I don't like what they're doing. But engagement is engagement, and I don't care. Just leave everybody else alone. So, yes, I'm going in with the black, and I've used these ones because these are a bit finer, not so thick, but still can't. I need to get one a little bit finer than that, just so I can get into tiny little nooks and crannies. Anyway, what do you think? I'm going to pop the 3 pictures of the other 2 dragons and this one together. Let me know which one is your favourite out of all of them. I know which one's my favourite. Yeah. So, yeah, let me know. 1, 2 or 3. I'm not quite sure which order I've put them on the pictures, but I think this one's in the middle. So, thank you for watching. Thank you to everyone that watches, likes, and is a genuinely nice person. Love you all, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.